Hello, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to withdraw USDT on Lollipop Live app. So the first thing you have to do is to click on the profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it, you just have to click on the T-point option. You're going to see it there, just click on it. The next thing you have to do is to click on cash out, click on withdraw option, click on currency type. So select USDT, then you have to click on payment method, select USDT TRC20. So you're going to see an option for you to paste the USDT address. Let's say for instance I want to withdraw my USDT from my Lollipop Live app and transfer it to my Trust wallet. What I have to do is to head straight to my Trust wallet. So I just have to log into my Trust wallet app. Now I just have to click on the receive option here. Search for USDT TRC20. You must use the same USDT, the same network. If not, you will lose your phone. You will lose your phone. You must use the same USDT address. So copy the link. Now head straight to your Lollipop app. Paste it. Confirm the same link. Then click on expect to get. I don't have USDT, for that reason it's showing me that I'm going to be expecting to get 0 USDT because I don't have USDT on my Lollipop Live app. But if you have USDT on your Lollipop Live app, it's going to bring option for you to withdraw this expected amount of USDT. So guys, I hope this video was able to guide you on how to withdraw USDT from your Lollipop Live app. If this video was helpful, do all to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.